Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. This is the maiden, yeah you heard me right, the maiden of the Avanti 90mm Avanti S from FMS. Now you're saying, wait a minute, you've already maidened it. Well, y'all remember I had 2 flights on the channel, the maiden and the second flight. Well, I came out here by myself to do a 3rd flight, try to get that flat mix ironed out. Flew around, no problem, came down. About my 3rd landing, my flaps, I thought I had messed the flaps up. Remember I explained that to you in the video? One flap was working independently of the other, and the retracts were going, making a weird noise. Well, I took that segment of video, sent that to FMS and said, I know we had our problems, but what's going on now? And they said, we think maybe the control board's bad. Do you still have the box? I said, yeah. They said, pack it up and we'll send you a new plane. Talk about customer service. I said, they offered to give me a full refund, the $560 or whatever it is. I said, could you just send me another one? I said, I love the plane. I said, the chances of both planes having a bad control board are slim to none. And this plane is that brand new plane. So, got her clear coat, used the same settings, factory settings on everything with a positive 10% mix on the landing flaps, I found is what works. So, should fly exactly the same as the other one. Same battery, same setup, same receiver. KM model afterburner inside of her. So, but this is the maiden on this plane. Right, left, up, down, right, left.
Landing flaps are up. Prop is secured. Motor is armed. Be careful.
Alright, timer set for 4 minutes. Got a 5,000 graphene. Got the KM model afterburner in there. We do have a little bit of a cross freeze wind, kind of down the southwest, but it's enough down the runway to help slow me down. Alright. Nervous. Brand new plane. First time in the air. Alright. And if I could just get my I-14 to stay on the dashboard, I'd be very happy. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Full speed into the wind. Full speed with the wind. Is needing a little bit of down elevator. Even though she was bench trim, that doesn't mean she's trim. About half throttle.
Retract deployed. Landing flaps.
Yeah.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I do like my flap settings there. At 10% down seems to be perfect.
Hitting the brake.
Way to go.
All right.
Flaps are up.
Get her turned around here. I do not like landing from that direction, but here's what it is. All right, we're going to use takeoff flaps into the wind, even though I really don't need them. I just want to see how they work. All right. Here we go. Yeah. She did rotate up a little bit quicker.
All right, I think we get it for pizza.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right, we're going to take it up now.
Ready? When you are.
Oh yeah. Good flying jet.
Retracting landing flaps.
All right, everything is down. Chapter on the runway.
Cruise mode.
All right.
Flaps are up.
Let's get her up one more time.
1 minute.
Yeah, the grass there. All right, here we go. Just a quick up and down. Gonna leave the gear down.
Landing flaps. 30 seconds. Taking the breath. Cruise mode. 20 seconds.
All right. I'm gonna definitely call that a successful maiden of my number 2 Avanti 90mm from FMS, the 18-year anniversary edition. And it's not,
Instituted.
from what I understand, I might be wrong, but from what I understand, it's not 18 years for the Avanti, it's 18 years of FMS. So, that's what maybe I misread it, but that's what I was told. Alright, we had 15 seconds left. Let me show you my setup. Great flying jet. Absolutely fabulous flying jet. Would you mind? Oh, wait, never mind. I forgot my precious's knees hurting her. But, where I have the 5,000, trying to hold this jet in point, as you can see, there's that first strap. There's the second strap. So you're kind of favoring more towards the rear of that strap there. Trying to hold this. This is not a small plane. So basically take 2 finger lengths in from the front firewall is where that 5,000 goes. Now that's a 5,000 graphene Turnigy battery. And they normally run about 60, 70 bucks. I caught them on sale for $38. I bought 5 of them. I couldn't resist, and they are good running battery. All right, we flew for the full 4 minutes, maybe just a few seconds shy. I was full speed a lot of the time, and I still got 37%, so I had enough for a couple of go-arounds if I need it. So 4 minutes on a 5,000. All right, folks, well, there you go. We'll plug the afterburner back in so you can see how beautiful that is. Thank you, KM Models, for the afterburner. Let me show you these retracts. They do take some time, and that is something you need to think about when you're lining up your landing. Your retracts take a little bit of time to open and close. So it's a big plane. Okay. Real quick, we'll just show you CG. I don't remember the numbers, but they actually have the CG mark on the underside of the wing right here. And when you feel that line, it's right on that line. So this is the way I would fly the plane. Okay. Which CG is pretty good right there. And then if you like to do it from the top, if you look for that black decal comes in, it's right there. It's right on where that black touches the core of the wing there, or the root of the wing. And she CG's pretty good right there. All right, I don't remember the numbers, but follow that black line, and where it touches the fuse, that's your CG. Give you a landmark. But that, you got, whoa, porn stash bob there. The nose is just has that push on little clip in there. It's on there pretty good. That's hard plastic, the majority of that. And these are already installed. Very simple, no glue to assembly. And it's an assembly, not a build. But just a good flying plane, good jet. It could be your first jet as long as you've got some warbird experience and you're okay with the cost. I mean, she's $569, so she's not a cheap plane. But and the batteries, you know, unless you catch a good sale, the batteries can be the better part of $100. Now these are normally 70, but like I said, I caught them on sale for 38. But you can run up to a 7,000 there. Just put it from that where I have mine further back. Start there and go back. So, well, there you go, folks. That's the Avanti 90mm from FMS. Thank you for watching. God is great, and don't forget, say family and friends, and then Avantis. Bye bye.